Hi everyone, hope everyone is doing fine today. Here is Abdul, and today we have a review video of one of the watches that I think will change a lot in my collection, because I will start reducing the beater watches that I have, because I have this one now. If you are new to this channel, I do a lot of unboxing, a lot of review videos, and this one I already have a review video for the Casio Royale or Royale world timer, the AE-1200. But this one is I'm reviewing then the idea of getting a case which is actually 5 times more expensive than the watch itself, as an upgrade. And I might have went into this discussion before in the case of straps. So if you get a strap that's more expensive than the watch itself, you upgrade the watch itself, you make it look more expensive. And I think for this case, for using here copper, or sorry, bronze, I definitely agree as well. I really like the case. I like the strap. As you can see, I put it on a new strap option on this green leather strap, which goes with it, I think, quite nicely. The watch comes, I got it from SKXMOD. Shout out to SKXMOD. And they even sent some stuff with it. They sent a tweezer. They sent these two screwdrivers, gaskets. So when I change the battery in 10 years, I have new gaskets to install it, and even a couple of spring bars. So whenever I want to change straps, I have plethora of spring bars to change it with, and even change the straps with you. You get also a buckle with the build. I think this is the build number 8. And as you can see, you have here the light. Maybe the next upgrade will be I'll open the watch and put here a new screen. Or I think Jody has it in one of his videos where he actually used acetone to take out here the wordings. So the WR100 is not needed, the 10-year battery maybe, even the 5 alarm, and leave the Casio and the 4 with this one. I might do this, but still, I'm still in the honeymoon phase, so I don't want to change anything on it. So you get a bronze case, which is around 70 grams in weight. You have a 42.2 diameter and lug to lug of 44, 45, 13 millimeters of thickness, and lug width of 18 millimeters, going out to 26 millimeters at the edge of the lug. You have the normal bells and whistles of a Casio world timer. So you have the world timer. You have I think it's 31 cities, I think, or even more, 5 alarms, a timer, a stopwatch, and you have your time. You have the light, which is yellow and bright, 10 years of battery. And as you can see, I opted also for the worn, let's say, buttons, so it does match the buckle and the case. I actually ordered it with a FKN strap, so it came, and in a moment of lapse of judgment, I thought I would cut the strap, and I didn't measure, so I cut the strap, and the strap was I'll show you now how it looks, but never do this mistake. Please learn from my mistake. Don't cut the strap. If you want to cut the strap, in the case that you already want to cut the strap, cut it much longer and then go gradually down, because if you cut it once, it's it, and as you can see, it looks very bad. So I ordered an olive one, and I'm happy, and I ordered this one. It's not FKN, but I will show you how it looks on this strap, which is my favorite at the moment. I'll put it on the black one, and let's see how it will look. So as you can see, it looks like a short watch, and it's even harder to close than normal. So it made the experience totally my fault, because the strap just went until here, and I should have cut it till here, or at least leave it and extend this to it, because on the black one it looks quite cool as well. Really nice on the black. I have a 17.1 centimeters for your reference, so you can see that the 45 millimeter lug to lug looks quite okay on my wrist as well. And that's my go-to strap on it. I think that's the strap I would be leaving it on the watch. I even ordered the buckle, a bronze buckle. As you can see, it's a totally different bronze color. This is not from SKXMOD. I ordered it from outside. I thought I'd see if they could get a near color, but maybe if I leave it outside next to the watch, it will just turn into this color, hopefully soon. Yeah, that's about it. Maybe I'll try another mod experience with my other Casios, but that doesn't look good for the Citizen, especially the ProMaster, which, because I ordered an Erebos. So I would be having a budget diver in my collection, so that means that the ProMaster would be redundant, and I think also the Flieger is now redundant, because I thought of it of a travel watch, and this one for me is a much better travel watch, because you have the alarm, you have the world time function and all this stuff. So for me, that's definitely the better option to wear in such situations, or traveling to some places that you know that having an expensive watch or a flashy looking watch will not be good. So this one would be the perfect one. Goes under the radar, just Casio. People will look at it and they will be like, this looks weird. But for me, this looks awesome. So that's about it for this review. If you do like this kind of content, be sure to subscribe. Hit the subscribe button here, and you will find on the left and on the right videos that might interest you as well. See you in the next one. Bye bye, everybody.